Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here today in Atlanta to introduce the finalists in the 2009 Sanofi Aventis International BioGeneius Challenge.
Straight away?
Since 1994, this competition has been recognizing outstanding high school student research in the field of biotechnology. The great discoveries of tomorrow will come from young people like the finalists in this year's BioGeneius competition. Young people who have big ideas about the future.
This competition is important because it highlights that young students can still get involved with biotech even though they may not be that far in their career path yet.
In addition, you get to associate with students from who are doing projects similar to yours.
I thought it would be a great experience to get out of the science classroom and into the science work field.
My project involves the first low-cost but available testing method for patients with this deadly infectious disease, MRSA.
When I developed this optical tweezer system, I used it to study DNA interactions. My research deals with treating motor neurons with two specific compounds commonly found in teeth.
My project dealt with the use of urine for the early detection of cancer.
My project studied the tumor suppressor P10 and its functions on the vacuolar membrane.
My project was finding a genetic therapy for muscular dystrophy.
Waste vegetable oil, biodiesel, biofuel, and diesel number 2 both use approximately the same amount of fuel and take about the same amount of time.
Microbial fuel cells use many expensive parts, which makes them cost too much to be economically feasible in deployment. So what I did was look for alternative materials to lower cost.
We targeted a gene involved with starch production in wheat.
Biotechnology is the future.
Not only do we get to see our other competitors and see how good the projects are, but we also get to make connections with other scientists.
I met extraordinary individuals already, and so that's already part of the experience.
Please join me in welcoming the finalists in the 2009 Sanofi Aventis International BioGeneius Challenge. We in the Sanofi Aventis Group firmly believe that tomorrow's discoveries are dependent upon the development of scientists today. Supporting young scientists is one of the best investments that our company can make in order to help realize the promise of biotechnology in solving today's challenges in the human healthcare area. I've been fortunate enough to be involved in the BioGeneius program for the past 6 years. And each successive year, I'm more and more impressed by the caliber of the research performed